In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on Bitbucket. Bitbucket is a Git-based code hosting platform that helps you organize your work, keep track of changes, and collaborate with your team. We'll start at the very beginning, get a repository set up, make changes and commit them locally, and then look at how to collaborate using pull requests, so your work can be reviewed and merged smoothly. First, log into Bitbucket using your account. Once you're in, head to the Repositories tab at the top. This is your central place for creating and managing code repositories. Click the option to create a repository. You'll see a setup screen where you can define a few important details. Enter a project name. Projects help you group related repositories under a shared umbrella, which is handy for larger efforts or multiple services. Then provide a repository name. Choose something short, clear, and consistent with your naming standards so teammates can find it easily later. Next, adjust the access level. If you're working on something internal or proprietary, set it to private so only authorized collaborators can see it. Public is useful for open source work or resources you intentionally want to share broadly. You can choose to initialize the repo with a README. This is a simple file that explains the purpose of the project, how to set it up, and how to contribute. Adding a README up front is a great way to set expectations and make onboarding easier for anyone joining later. Before creating the repository, check the advanced settings. Here you can confirm things like the default branch name and optional features such as issue tracking or a wiki, depending on how you plan to manage the project. Keep these aligned with your team's conventions, and don't worry, you can revisit them later if your needs change. When everything looks good, click Create Repository. Now let's make changes and commit them. In your local repository, the copy on your machine, edit your files as needed. Group related changes together and write clear, descriptive commit messages that explain the why, not just the what. Smaller, focused commits make it much easier to review work, roll back if needed, and understand the project history over time. To collaborate via pull requests, open one from your changes once they're available on Bitbucket. Choose the source branch, compare it against the target branch, and add a concise title and description that explain the intent and context. Request reviewers, address feedback by updating your changes, and keep the discussion constructive and specific. When the pull request is approved and passes any checks your team uses, merge it to bring the work into the main line. That's the core workflow. Log in, create a repository with the right settings, commit clean changes locally, and collaborate through pull requests.